Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making the device ready. Plug the Pixel 6 in if battery is below 50% and connect to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Once done, make a quick backup to Google Drive or copy essential files to a PC. This protects you if the update needs a factory reset. Then open Settings, tap System, and choose System Update to check for available updates. This step initiates the download process and shows size and changelog so you know what will change. When the update appears, tap Download. Observe the percent so you can estimate time. Large updates may take 10-30 minutes on Wi-Fi. If the download stalls, check storage and clear cache or remove a few large apps to free space. Updates require several hundred MB to multiple GB. Once downloaded, your Pixel 6 will prompt to install. Choose Install Now for immediate update or schedule overnight if you need the phone. The device will restart and apply changes. After reboot, check settings about phone to confirm the new Android and security patch details. This verifies success. If the phone gets stuck in a boot loop, first force restart by holding power for 30 seconds, then boot to recovery and wipe the cache partition. This clears temporary files without erasing data. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to isolate apps, and as a last resort, perform a factory reset or contact Google support. These steps resolve most update failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.